and today I will talk about digital transformation of public sanitation, which is required to sustain and amplify the impact made under Swachh Bharat mission. But before that, let me ask a question. How many of you know the condition of public toilets around you? What if these toilets could talk and tell about their own condition? What if they could talk and tell that there is no water available? What if they could talk and tell us that they have not been cleaned or that they are in the filthy state? This is the condition of around 1 crore toilet seats that have been built under Swachh Bharat mission. Most of these toilet seats have started falling into disrepair, whether it is a steel or toilet or a brick and mortar toilet. Several of them have started falling into disrepair and are in a dilapidated condition. Women and girls living in urban slums still face the challenge to find a dignified place to relieve themselves. This is what we are trying to solve through SmartLoo. SmartLoo enables the toilets to talk. It evaluates the toilet condition in real time and it enables the monitoring and governance. And this is how SmartLoo model works. SmartLoo consists of two parts, the hardware and the software. The hardware comprises of different sensors. For example, smell sensor that monitors the cleanliness of the toilet, usage counter that counts the footfall, the feedback device which enables the users to give their feedback, and water sensor which tells us whether the toilet has water or not. These toilets, these sensors are installed in any existing toilet infrastructure, and within 4 to 5 hours they start sending data to the SmartLoo cloud through Wi-Fi gateways, where SmartLoo's decision engine analyzes this data and creates insights for the municipalities. The decision engine is designed in a way so that the municipalities can get aware of the issues and find the solutions and resolve the issues quickly. For example, if there is water issue, the municipalities can solve it within 24 hours, for which they are right now taking around 5 to 6 days. If there is, the user is giving a bad feedback, then the municipalities can figure out the reason and solve the issues for improved customer satisfaction and better usage. Thus, the decision engine results in prompt action, which results in cleaner toilets. With our deployment in 3 cities, we have already seen significant effects. There is 50% reduction in resolution time, 30% decrease in monitoring time, and with increased customer satisfaction, there is 2 times increase in the usage. We have also been able to predict the traffic at any particular time of the day, which helps the municipalities to manage the water supply better. And therefore, we have been able to reduce the water usage by 20%. It is critical for a water-stressed country like India. The decision engine also generates an easy-to-consume 5-star rating, which gives the users, the operators, and the municipal officials a standard to compare the performances of different toilets. Now imagine if you want to use a public toilet and you can see the rating right outside the toilet in the form of a display. Wouldn't it be amazing? So in a way, it is a win-win situation for the users, the operators, and the municipal officials. Nunu, one of the operator of Patiala toilet, has told us that SmartLoo has resulted in increase in her income. Mr. Vishwas, the Joint Commissioner of Patiala, has informed us that SmartLoo has resulted in increased usage and uh, customer satisfaction along with saving cost. He has also informed us that the municipal officials are more efficiently working now, as the Smart Loom has enabled the monitoring of the toilets and made it much easier. So instead of cleaning the toilet ourselves, we are distributing and enhancing the capabilities of municipalities to keep the toilets clean through visibility, trust and transparency. We want to distribute this ability to all the toilets in our country. And that is why we have embarked the most ambitious project till now. In 2020, we will undertake all the toilets in a city and transform them. This will impact 200,000 citizens of those cities. I would like to ask the city officials sitting here whether they will be willing to invest rupees 4 per beneficiary to completely transform the toilets of their cities. And I invite partnerships with municipal and state administration for giving us permissions and financial and non-financial support, CSRs for funding, and implementation partners for all kind of execution and dissemination across city and states. The reason why we are so excited about this project is because this project will clear the path for adoption of technology-based monitoring as a national policy. This will impact the lives of around 100 million urban poor in the next 10 years. And the partners in this project will then become a frontier in the sanitation revolution. Rest assured, this project is being executed by an award-winning team. We are creating world's first digital infrastructure for sanitation. I would like you all to envision a day, not so far away, when all the toilets can say how they are doing. Imagine if all the toilets of this country can talk and tell about their condition. That is when clean toilets will become a new norm of our country. Thank you so much for giving me.